Hello everyone, welcome back to Educlynk. So today we're going to continue with our series of exercise on exercise 4, which is second to the last exercise in this chapter. So exercise 4 goes thus. We have 2 grams of a volatile liquid occupies a volume of 500 cm cube at 25 degrees Celsius at 1 atmosphere. Calculate the molar mass of the volatile liquid. The RAM have been given to you as, or the ideal gas constant have been given to you as 0.083 atmosphere dm cube per mole per Kelvin. So using the ideal gas constant or the ideal gas equation, ideal gas equation PV is equals nRT, but N equals to given mass all over the molar mass. This implies PV equals to given mass molar mass RT. So there we make molar mass of the formula. So the molar mass is equals to MRT over PV. So MR equals to given mass is 2 grams times R 0.082. T is 25 degrees. We convert to Kelvin. So 25 degrees plus 273 Kelvin. So it's going to be 298 Kelvin divided by 1 atmosphere times 0.5. Why 0.5? Because in this case, the volume is 500 cm cube. So I have to convert the volume from cm cube to dm cube by dividing by 1000. So the molar mass of the compound, Mr, equals to 98 grams per mole. 98 grams per mole. So me punch your calculator to have answer. 98 grams per mole. Thank you for watching and follow more on Educlynk.